Welcome back, my love YouTube family. Today we're taking a detailed look at the Sonalika GT 22 tractor, a compact and versatile machine designed for farmers who need dependable performance, easy maneuverability and economical operation. The GT22 is especially useful for small and medium farms for orchards, vineyards, vegetable farms, gardening, spraying, mowing and other specialized agricultural work. The exterior of the Sonalika GT22 features a compact design with a strong front grille, durable body panels, modern graphics, and headlights for improved visibility during early morning and evening operations. Its narrow profile makes it easier to move between crop rows and operate in tight spaces. The compact wheelbase also helps provide a tight turning radius and confident handling in narrow farming areas. Powering the Sonalika GT22 is an efficient diesel engine producing approximately 22 horsepower. The engine is designed to provide useful torque while maintaining economical fuel consumption and dependable daily performance. This power level makes it suitable for cultivation, spraying, mowing, and orchard maintenance. Its practical design can also help keep regular servicing manageable. The transmission provides multiple forward and reverse gears, allowing the operator to select an appropriate speed for different tasks. The hydraulic system and power takeoff provide power for compatible implements. This versatility makes the GT22 useful for specialized and everyday farm work, especially where space is limited. In terms of performance, the Sonalika GT22 offers good traction, smooth operation, and excellent maneuverability for its compact size. Its narrow dimensions are particularly valuable in orchards and vineyards where working space is limited. Depending on the exact configuration, the estimated maximum road speed can reach approximately 25 kilometers per hour. Fuel efficiency is one of the major advantages of a compact tractor. Under normal agricultural conditions, the Sonalika GT22 may consume approximately 1.8 to 2.8 liters of diesel per hour, depending on workload, soil conditions, operating speed, maintenance, and the attached implement. For pricing, an estimated international range could be around $5,500 to $8,000, depending on the country, dealership, taxes, specifications, and optional equipment. Buyers should confirm the latest official price and specifications with an authorized Sonalika dealer. Overall, the Sonalika GT22 offers a practical combination of 22 horsepower performance, compact dimensions, excellent maneuverability, economical fuel consumption, useful hydraulics, and dependable agricultural capability. Thank you for watching, my love YouTube family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tractor reviews. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.